Catch the wave of the future with the new 9 to 5. This isn't your traditional grind. We're talking about making money online using artificial intelligence. It sounds futuristic, doesn't it? But it's here, and it's real. Imagine earning while you sleep, or while you're off exploring the world. That's the power of AI. No more trading hours for dollars. Let your digital assistant do the heavy lifting. From affiliate marketing bots to automated content creation software, we'll guide you through the world of AI-powered online income. Whether you're a tech guru or a complete novice, our easy-to-follow tutorials will help you navigate this exciting landscape. Welcome to the new 9 to 5. It's time to work smarter, not harder. Remember, the future isn't something that just happens. It's something you create. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI and start building your future today. Stay tuned for more on the new 9 to 5, where time is money and AI is your new best friend.